In this video, we will discuss UPPCS Prelims 2025 Official Paper Science and Technology questions. Question number 1. Plants and animals that live on land are called? Options are A. Abiotic, B. Aquatic habitants, C. Terrestrial habitants, D. Biotic. Correct answer is option C. Terrestrial habitants. Plants and animals that live on land are called terrestrial organisms. The habitats of these organisms are called terrestrial habitats. Here are some examples of terrestrial habitats: forests, grasslands, deserts, and mountains. Question number 2. The joint where the neck joins the head is? Options are A. Pivotal joint, B. Saddle joint, C. Hinge joint, D. Ball and socket joint. Correct answer is option A. Pivotal joint. The joint where the neck joins the head is a pivotal joint. This joint allows for limited rotating movements such as bending the head forward and backward and turning the head to the left or right. Pivot joints are also known as rotary joints. Question number 3. The disease-causing microorganism among these is? Options are A. Archaea, B. Pathogens, C. Bacteria, D. Protozoa. Correct answer is option B. Pathogens. Microorganisms that cause disease are called pathogens. Pathogens can be bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, and some types of worms. Pathogens can damage or disrupt the normal activities of a host cell, which can lead to disease. Question number 4. Milk is an example of? Options are A. Foam, B. Aerosol, C. Sol, D. Emulsion. Correct answer is option D. Emulsion. Milk is an example of a colloidal solution or emulsion, which is a type of heterogeneous mixture. Emulsion, a type of colloidal solution where the dispersed phase and dispersion medium are both liquids. In milk, the fat globules are suspended in water. Question number 5. The formula of baking soda is? Options are A. KHCO3, B. Na2CO3, C. K2CO3, D. NaHCO3. Correct answer is D. NaHCO3. Baking soda is the common name of sodium bicarbonate. It's a white crystalline powder that is naturally alkaline or basic. The chemical formula of baking soda is NaHCO3. Baking soda is also defined as sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda has many uses, including in cooking, cleaning, and health and beauty. Question number 6. CPR stands for? Options are A. Cardioprogramime rescue, B. Cardiac pulsatile revision, C. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, D. Cardiopulmonary revision. Correct answer is option C. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation. CPR stands for cardiopulmonary resuscitation. It can help save a life during cardiac arrest, when the heart stops beating or beats too ineffectively to circulate blood to the brain and other vital organs. Question number 7. The only vein that carries oxygenated blood is? Options are A. Pulmonary vein, B. Cystic vein, C. Cardiac vein, D. Hepatic portal vein. Correct answer is option A, pulmonary vein. The pulmonary veins are the only veins in the body that carry oxygenated blood. Function: the pulmonary veins carry oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart. Comparison: all other veins in the body carry oxygen-poor blood. The pulmonary arteries are the only arteries that carry oxygen-poor blood, while all other arteries carry oxygen-rich blood. Question number 8. Diabetes is the most common disorder associated with. Options are A. Kidney, B. Gallbladder, C. Liver, D. Pancreas. Correct answer is option D, pancreas. Diabetes is a condition that happens when your blood sugar, glucose, is too high. It develops when your pancreas doesn't make enough insulin or any at all, or when your body isn't responding to the effects of insulin properly. Most forms of diabetes are chronic, lifelong, and all forms are manageable with medications and/or lifestyle changes. Question number 9. The recent global pause during COVID-19 pandemic was caused due to. Options are A. SARS-CoV-1, B. H5N1, C. SARS-CoV-2, D. MERS-CoV-2. Correct answer is option C, SARS-CoV-2.
The COVID-19 pandemic, which caused a global pause in various activities, was due to the novel coronavirus named SARS-CoV-2. This virus was first identified in Wuhan, China in late 2019 and is responsible for the disease known as COVID-19. Question number 10. A bus covers the first half of a certain distance with speed v1 and the second half with a speed v2. The average speed during the whole journey is. Options are A. v1 v2, v1 plus v2, B. 2 v1 v2, v1 plus v2, C. v1 plus v2, 2D, v1 v2. Answer is option B, 2 v1 v2, v1 plus v2. Distance traveled is the product of speed and the time taken while traveling with that speed. The average speed is defined as the total distance traveled by the total time taken during the process. Question number 11. Which of the following is a correct relationship between Fahrenheit degrees and Celsius degrees? Options are A. Degrees. Celsius equals 9/5 degrees Fahrenheit plus 32. B. Degrees Celsius equals degrees Fahrenheit minus 273.15. C. Degrees Fahrenheit equals 9/5 degrees Celsius plus 32. D. Degrees Fahrenheit equals degrees Celsius 273.15. Correct answer is option C, degrees. Fahrenheit equals 9/5 degrees Celsius plus 32. The two scales are directly proportional, meaning that when the temperature increases in Celsius, it also increases in Fahrenheit. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius on the Celsius scale and 32 degrees Fahrenheit on the Fahrenheit scale. And the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius on the Celsius scale and 212 degrees Fahrenheit on the Fahrenheit scale. Question number 12. Which of the following statements is not true? Options are A. Chromosomes are composed of DNA and protein. B. Nucleus of a cell does not play a role in cellular reproduction. C. Chromosomes contain information for inheritance. D. Functional segment of DNA is called genes.
Correct answer is option B. Nucleus of a cell does not play a role in cellular reproduction. The nucleus of a cell does play a crucial role in cellular reproduction. The nucleus contains the cell's DNA, which is the genetic material that is replicated and passed on to new cells during cell division. The nucleus controls and coordinates the process of cell division, also known as mitosis or meiosis. Question number 13. Which one of the following groups have only input devices? Options are A. Mouse, keyboard, printer. B. Mouse, keyboard, projector. C. Mouse, keyboard, monitor. D. Mouse, keyboard, scanner. Correct answer is D. Mouse, keyboard, scanner. Input devices are pieces of hardware that allow users to interact with a computer and provide data to it. Examples of input devices: 1. Keyboard. 2. Mouse. 3. Microphone. 4. Joystick. 5. Scanner. 6. Barcode reader. Question number 14. The content of computer memory which is non-volatile even when the power goes off is options are A. RAM. B. RAM. C. ROM. D. None of the above. Correct answer is option C. ROM. Non-volatile memory is computer memory that retains its contents even when the power is turned off. Examples of non-volatile memory include 1. Read-only memory, ROM. 2. Flash memory. 3. Hard disk drives, HDDs. In contrast, volatile memory, such as RAM and cache memory, loses its contents when the computer is turned off. Question number 15. Match list I with list 2 and choose the incorrect answer using the codes given below the lists. Options are A. Vitamin A, excessive bleeding due to injury. B. Vitamin B, beriberi. C. Vitamin C, scurvy. D. Vitamin D, rickets. Correct answer is option A. Vitamin A, excessive bleeding due to injury. Vitamin A deficiency can cause xerophthalmia, which is an eye condition that can lead to blindness. In its more severe forms, vitamin A deficiency contributes to blindness by making the cornea very dry, thus damaging the retina and cornea. An estimated 250,000 children who are vitamin A deficient become blind every year, and half of them die within 12 months of losing their sight. Excessive bleeding after an injury can be caused by a deficiency of vitamin K or a bleeding disorder. ऐसे ही अपडेटेड वीडियो को देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल सक्सेस एक्सपर्ट को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक शेयर करें। धन्यवाद।